So last class, what we discussed is we discussed about graphs and also we discussed graphs and also we discussed about period. So we are going to discuss this graphs and period of trigonometric functions. So we are going to continue with this. So I explained the graph and first sine theta, I explained sine theta, what is its domain, what is its range, and also I explained its graph. So domain is all real numbers. That means what? Theta takes all real numbers. This is domain means what? What is the domain? Domain means simply, domain means simply for theta value. No? So theta, sine theta is defined for all real numbers. So theta you can put anything. But range, what is range? Range is -1 to 1. This you have to remember, that's why So what is its graph? Its graph is, see, now minus infinity to infinity you can draw the graph. Why you can draw the graph minus infinity to plus infinity? Why you can draw? Because it is defined for all real numbers. But theta value, whatever you take, you will get you can get its image, right? You can get its image. That is the reason you can draw graph. Overall, you can draw. That means like this. So like this, you can draw. Graph is going to be like this. So this you need to remember. All right. So cos theta. What is the cos theta domain? Domain is all real numbers. What is the range? Range is -1 to 1 again. So what is its? This is cos graph, right? The 0, it is 1. For 0, it is 1. It's cos graph, and sine graph I am drawing here. So for 0, it is 0. For 0, it is 0, and for 1, it is pi by 2, it is 0. For 0, this is, we are drawing sine theta. Sine theta is 1 for pi by 2. So like this. So graph is going to be like this. Here also it's going to be like this. So you understand this one. Then next tan theta. What is the domain of tan theta? Tan theta is defined for all real numbers, but tan theta is not defined for odd multiples of pi by 2. N plus 1 pi by 2 we say. So this we discussed, right? So that means pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2. This is not defined. So its range is what? You will get all real numbers. So that's why you see this graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. What is the graph? Graph will be like this, right? So this, if I draw it, this is minus pi by 2. This is 0. This is y-axis. This plus pi by 2. And it's going to be like this. For 0, it is 0. For pi by 2, it is. So in between comes what? Pi by 4. So for pi by 4, it is 1. So like this. And in the fourth quadrant, it is negative. Same thing, but negative. This is what is -1. So graph will be like this. And if you take another one, so again it will be like this one. Again it will be like this one. So here, this is, see, now this much interval, that is 2 pi. In the 2 pi interval, again you are going to get the same graph, you are going to get again in the next interval. So therefore, what we can say is, period is 2 pi, this period is 2 pi, and tan theta period is what? This graph is repeating in the range of, in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Again pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, it is repeating. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, it is repeating. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, it is repeating. So this is also again in the pi interval, it is repeating. Therefore, the tan theta period is pi. All right. So the next we have, what we have next is cot theta. So we already discussed cot theta. What is the domain? Domain is all real numbers, but not n pi. Okay. I told you to complete trigonometry because this reason only, so that you can understand this better. So domain, this is defined for all real numbers, but not for 0, 0, pi, 2 pi, because sign is there in the denominator. So then this is range. What is range? Range is all real numbers. It will take all real numbers. See. So here minus pi to pi. So now it's for 0 it is not defined. For 0 it is not defined. So like this you are going to, for pi by 2 it is going to be 0. For pi, so in second quadrant it's negative, like this you are going to get. this is 0, right? So then again here also, so this if I take minus pi, this minus pi by 2. So in the, so it's going to be like this. In the third quadrant positive, this is third quadrant, minus pi by 2 to minus pi is what is third quadrant. Here pi to 3 pi by 2 third quadrant, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi also fourth quadrant. So this fourth quadrant is going to be, sorry, this is going to be like this. So again here going to be like this, third quadrant positive, fourth quadrant negative, like this. So here also third quadrant is positive and this is fourth quadrant. This part is fourth quadrant. 0 to minus pi by 2 fourth quadrant, minus pi by 2 to minus pi is what is third quadrant. Okay, all right. So then next, okay, then next we will take cosecant theta and secant theta. So here is a, so sine theta, cos theta, somebody is asking to explain again. So sine theta graph, so what is very simple, no? Sine theta graph is very simple. No? So x-axis, this is y-axis. So for 0, it is 0. For pi by 2, it is, for pi by 2, it is 1. For pi, it is again 0. For 2 pi, it is again 0. So for 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. So minus 1 is here. Minus 1 is here. So it is simple. No? So I am going to draw like this. So for so this is 3 pi by 2. For 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. So minus 1. And then it comes to this. Again, for 2 pi, no, 0 to 360 degrees, again, same values will come. Same values means what? Again, you will get same graph like this. This side also like this only. This is the graph of sine theta. Okay. So that means what? 0 to 2 pi, whatever values you get, the same values you will get. Okay. Same values you will get in the 2 pi to 4 pi. So that means what? 0 to 2 pi, whatever graph you have, 2 pi to 4 pi, you will have the same graph. So therefore, 0 to 2 pi, you have I am explaining sine theta graph only. I am explaining. This is sine theta graph. So 0 to pi again. So simple. No, you take the values and then you can understand this is. So 5 pi by 2. So 5 pi by 2 is again 1. So like this. So now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. What is this cosecant theta? So 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta. Cos graph. Next we'll see cos graph. Okay, cosecant theta graph we'll see first. So sine theta domain is what? All real numbers. But here cosecant theta domain is what? For this domain means theta should not be 0. Therefore, all real numbers but not n pi. Okay, range, it's this range is what? Minus 1 to 1. It's opposite, no? So it's, if it is 1 by 2, then it's going to be 2. So therefore, this is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity to minus 1. Union 1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1. Union 1 to infinity. Okay, so that is, now if you see the graph is exactly opposite. Means here only minus 1 to 1. So this only, graph will be in this only, no? This y-axis. So sine graph is in this interval only. It will not be more than this. It will not come, y value is not more than 1, say, right? So y value is maximum what you get is 1 you getting here. So minimum what you are getting is minus 1. So graph will be in this interval only. That means 1 to minus 1 only. In this interval only you will have graph. Graph in this interval only will have graph. So but whereas cosecant theta graph will not be in this interval. It's exactly opposite. That means what? So cosecant theta, if I draw here, for 0, see, for 0 it is infinity. Okay. For pi by 2, its value is 1 only. So this is infinity. From infinity it will come, and but when it is pi by 2, it's again, this is like this only, 0. Okay, it will be like this. So then again it will be like this, exactly like this only. But it's up, goes up. So that means what? It is very simple. Say for example, for this value, I don't know what is this value, but for this value, let's say it is 1 by 3. So 1 by, no, this cannot be 1 by 3. So let's say 1 by 2. For this value, it is going to be 2, like this. This value is 2, then this value is 1 by 2. For example, we take here 30 degrees. 30 degrees means what? Pi by 6. Pi by 6, it is 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2. Here same for uh, pi by 6, cosecant theta is 2. So like this. 2 means you will get like this. Like this. So then again for pi it is infinity. For pi it is infinity. And but not only that, but what is here? First, second quadrant it is positive. But after second, third and fourth quadrant it is negative. So cosecant theta is also negative. That means what? If you draw the cosecant theta, and for minus 3 pi by 2 it is minus 1. For pi it is infinity. Pi it's infinity. Approaches infinity like this. So again, if you see the same graph, see. So 0 to pi is this graph, and again pi to 2 pi is this graph. Again you are going to have repetition in this, like this. And again here also you are going to have repetition like this. So graph is going to continue like this. So overall, what I can say is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, what is the domain? Domain is what is? Domain. Domain is what is? All real numbers, but not n pi. What is the range? Range is, what is the range? Range is here minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Okay, because it's opposite to sine theta. So I was telling you this graph. I was telling again. I am drawing the same graph. So graph will be like this. So this is y-axis, this x-axis. So this is I am taking 1, and this I am taking minus 1. So graph will be, so for pi by 2, and this is for pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Till 2 pi will draw. So sine graph will be like this. Sine graph, again I am explaining, sine graph will be like this. So this graph will be exactly opposite. So this graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. That means what? For pi, it will be like this. It will be like this, right? So this is graph exactly opposite. Now, when it comes to this, then this is what is, you can see this is what is sine graph, and opposite means what you get here? This one. Hope you are able to understand this one. So for 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 only. So that means what? Cosecant theta value minus 1 will be there. Okay? And 1 will be there. In the first and second quadrant, minimum value is 1. Maximum value is infinity, like this, approaches infinity. So this is when third and fourth quadrant, it's negative. But what is the maximum value here? Minus 1 is the maximum, and for remaining all, it will be negative. Hope you understand this graph. So simple and easy graph for cosecant theta like this. But if you understand sine theta graph, it will be easy. It will be easy to understand this. Again, if you want to draw till 4 pi, let's say this is 3 pi and this is 4 pi. So you can draw in the, again it will be like this. Again, it will be like this. So if you take here 1, this will be like this opposite. And here if you take minus 1 is here. Minus 1 if you take here, it is going to be like this. Like this. Going to be like this. Hope you understand. But that means cosecant theta also, the graph of cosecant theta is repeating the same upper one and lower one. This is repeating itself in the, again, 0 to 2 pi, whatever graph you got, 2 pi to 4 pi also you are getting the same graph. That means graph is repeating in the interval of 2 pi. So therefore 2 pi is called its period. Okay. Then secant theta, I already told you, secant theta is also same. So you know cos theta. Okay, if you take cos theta, what is the graph of cos theta? You know, cos theta graph is this, no? So what is this graph? Is so simple. X-axis. So here, you know, for 0 it is 1. For 0 it is 1. For pi by 2 it is 0. For pi by 2 it is 0. So it is going to be like this. And when you come to pi, it's going to be minus 1. When you come to 2 pi, it's going to be 0 again. This is when you come to pi minus 1, and when you come to 3 pi by 2, When you come to 3 pi by 2, it's going to be 0. When you come to 2 pi, it's going to 1 again. So like this, see. So graph has come like this. And if at all you want to repeat up till 4 pi, if you want to repeat this is 2 pi, up till 4 pi if you want. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. అమ్మా ఒకసారి ఫోన్ ఎత్తి అమ్మా సో So cos theta graph. Cos theta graph is what? So this is what is cos theta graph. If you see, cos theta is repeating by itself in the interval of 0 to 2 pi. So period అంటే ఏంది మనకు 1 hour పీరియడ్స్ ఉంటాయిగా మ్యాథ్ 1 hour తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది ఫిజిక్స్ 1 hour ఉంటుంది అంటే ఏంది ఆ 1 hour కి అది చేంజ్ అయింది అంటే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అని అర్థం సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే అనమాట అంటే 0 to 2 pi మనకి ఏదైతే గ్రాఫ్ వచ్చిందో మళ్ళీ 2 pi to 4 pi కూడా అదే గ్రాఫ్ వస్తుంది దాన్ని పీరియడ్ అంటాం అనమాట అంటే ఏంది మళ్ళీ అవి వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ 0 to 2 pi ఏదైతే వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినాయో 2 pi to 4 pi కూడా అదే వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి దాన్ని మనం పీరియడ్ అంటాం అనమాట పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ థీటా ఇస్ 2. ఇప్పుడు మనం సీకెంట్ థీటా చూద్దాం ఇక్కడే సీకెంట్ థీటా డొమైన్ ఏంది వాట్ ఇస్ ద డొమైన్ ఆల్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ బట్ నాట్ 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, what is the range? What is the range? Range is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So that means it's opposite to cos theta. So whatever graph you have now only just I explained no sin theta here also same in this interval you have to draw. So one is like this. See, when it comes to pi by 2, it is 0 means this is infinity. When as it approaches pi by 2, this approaches infinity like this. Okay, then next in the first quadrant positive and second and third quadrant negative. Cosecant theta, secant theta also negative only. So that means if you draw in this interval, it's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. So again, it's going to be, see, in the fourth quadrant, it's going to positive. Positive means what? You're going to get like this. For 3 pi by 2, cos theta is 0. So secant theta is going to be infinity. It's like this, infinity. Infinity, and it's going to be like this. So now overall, now I'm drawing here graph, simple. So here, let's take here, this is 1. Okay, this is I'm taking pi by 2 and this is going to be pi and this is going to be 3 pi by 2 and this is going to be 2 pi. Okay, so now the cos graph I am drawing with dot. So cos graph is going to be like this. Cos graph is going to be like this. Then secant theta graph is exactly opposite, right? So you are going to get like this. So here for pi by 2 it's going to be like this. First thing, and the next thing is first quadrant positive, so that is 1 to infinity. See here, 1 to infinity, first quadrant 1 to infinity. When you come to second and third quadrant, it's going to be negative. Negative means what? So minimum is what? Whatever, maximum is minus 1, minimum is minus infinity. So minus 1 to, see, minus infinity. Again second quadrant, again third quadrant also same like this. So it's going to be like this, exactly like this. So then again, if it come to fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, it's going to be like this. Same thing. At 3 pi by 2 infinity, at 3 pi by 2 it's infinity. At 3 pi by 2 it's infinity. So it's going to be like this. Now if you want to repeat this, see, 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. So 2 pi to 4 pi, I want to repeat in 0 to 2 pi, then 2 pi to 4 pi, how is so if you take now here pi, this is 3 pi, this is 5 pi by 2, and this is 7 pi by 2. If you want to repeat, no, very simple. So it's going to be again, it's like this, again like this. Okay, so then in this interval again it will be like this. Okay, again it will be like this, again it will be like this, and then it's going to be like this again, like this. So that means what? Same graph, whatever graph you got like this one, and here also you got the same thing. So this is the graph of secant. So secant theta graph is like this, very simple graphs. Once if you understand this, then you can remember also easily. So then this is a graph, and okay, of course, I told sine theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta, cot theta graphs I told, but what is period? I showed you in the graph, but I am telling you now the definition. So what is the definition of this? What is the definition of this one? Period. So period is this: if f of x is any function, f of x is, let's take f of x is any function. Okay. If there exists a positive real number, a positive real number, if there exists a positive real number p, okay, a positive real number p, okay, such that f of x plus p equal to f of x, then secant theta period is same thing, na? It is repeating. See, 0 to 2 pi, whatever graph you have here, this is the graph you have. Same thing is repeating, na? So therefore, the graph 2 pi, na? Secant theta is 2 pi. So that's why I am explaining here. So if f of x any function, if there exists a positive real number p, such that f of x plus p equal to f of x, then p is called period. Understand this properly. P is called period. Here notice if here P is period, we can say if no, smallest of all periods, smallest of all periods is called the period. The period, or you can call fundamental period. Fundamental period. Okay. So here, what is the meaning of this? Huh? What is the meaning of this? So, for example, sine theta is a function. Sine x, I am writing sine x. Sine x is a function f of x. Sine x is a function f of x. And there exists a positive real number. You should understand this is positive real number p. So here, what I can write is f of x plus p. In the place of p, I am writing 2 pi. Okay, equal to what you get? Sine of, see, x in the place of x plus 2 pi, right? So x plus 2 pi is 2 pi plus x also. So 2 pi plus x is what? Sine x only. So that means this is f of x only. So f of x plus p equal to f of x. That means what? 2 pi is period. 2 pi is period. And if you take no, f of x plus pi, if you take, you won't get. Again, f of x plus pi, you won't get anything less than 2 pi as period. So this is period. Okay. And but what is according to definition, any positive real number, na? So x plus 4 pi also you will get the same. Sine of 4 pi plus x. Sine of 4 pi plus x also you get sine x. That is f of x only you are getting. That means what? 4 pi is also period. అంటే ఏంది, మనము 0 నుంచి 2 పైకి గ్రాఫ్ రిపీట్ అయింది కదా, ఇట్లా మన గ్రాఫ్ రిపీట్ అయింది 0 నుంచి 2 పై ఇట్లా రిపీట్ అయింది. ఓకేనా, 0 నుంచి 2 పైకి అంటే 2 పై టు 4 పై కూడా, అంటే 0 టు 2 పై 4 పై తీసుకున్నా సరే మళ్ళీ అదే గ్రాఫ్ వస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ. అంటే ఏమర్థమైంది మనకి, 4 పై కూడా పీరియడే, 2 పై పీరియడ్, 4 పైన కూడా మనం పీరియడే అనొచ్చు. అట్లా మనము 2 పై కామా 4 పై కామా 6 పై కామా సో ఆన్. ఓకే, so on 2n pi, okay, is also period anamata. All are periods only, are period అనొచ్చు అనమాట అన్నిటిని కూడా. దాంట్లో మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం, స్మాలెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పీరియడ్స్ is called the period or fundamental period. So therefore 2 pi is, మనం ఏమనొచ్చు, the period అనొచ్చు. the period అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం ఫండమెంటల్ పీరియడ్ అందాం. ఫండమెంటల్ అంటే ఏంది, ఫండమెంటల్ అంటే మీకు తెలుసు కదా, ఫండమెంటల్ పీరియడ్. ఓకే, మనం గ్రాఫ్ నుంచి అయినా దీని నుంచి అయినా ఒకటే మీనింగ్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు మనము నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనము ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటి అంటే పీరియడ్ అంటే చాలా సింపుల్. ఎనీ ఫంక్షన్ యూ టేక్ ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, అందుకని ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అన్న, ఒకవేళ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే ఏ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ పి ఎట్లా సచ్ దట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ పి చేసినప్పటికీ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది, దాన్ని పిని పీరియడ్ అంటాం. అంటే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ కి పీరియడ్ ఒకటే ఉండాలని ఏమీ లేదు, ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు. సో అదే నేను చూపించాను ఇక్కడ సైన్ తీటా మనం చూసినట్టయితే 2π కూడా వస్తుంది మనకి. అంటే ఏంది సైన్ తీటాకి. అట్లనే మనం కాస్ తీటా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. కాస్ తీటా, ఇప్పుడు మనం కాస్ తీటా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. కాస్ తీటా ఆర్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే మనం కాస్ ఆఫ్ 2π ప్లస్ తీటా అంటే ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ పి చేసినప్పటికీ మనం కాస్ తీటానే వస్తుంది. చూడండి కాస్ తీటా వస్తుంది. కాస్ ఆఫ్ తీటా ప్లస్ 4π వేసిన అనుకోండి, 4π ప్లస్ తీటా అయినా కాస్ తీటానే వస్తుంది. అట్లనే మన కాస్ ఆఫ్ మనం ఇంకా అట్లా చేస్తూ పోతూ ఉంటే 6π ప్లస్ తీటా అయినా సరే మనకేమొస్తుంది